Welcome back to a new video. So check this out. We just recently received these vintage upholstery kits from the 1960s. The first time I saw these on a magazine was just recently when I acquired an Auto World catalog. And flipping through the pages, I started to see some of these upholstery kits. And Ulrich Model Kits from North Hollywood, California was one of those companies that just stood out. So I started doing my research, wondering if I was ever going to find any of these out in the wild. And long behold, I did find some. I bought them and they are here. And I just can't believe after all those years and now here in 2026, we have some right here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at these. So from the top, custom genuine leather, real fabrics, trim, metallic ribbon, wool floor mats for all cars, boats, and planes. Upholstery kit, extra big air horn included. So here we see the 4 different fabrics along with the air horn and the wooden pick. And man, these look so nice. We flip this around. We check out the instructions here. Nice layout of the instructions telling you how to use it, how to assemble it. The recommended glue from Pactra, the C77 Euro gloss cement. And a lot of these pieces can be used for, the panels, floor mats, seats, and just, getting creative anywhere really in the vehicle. And down below, what I thought was pretty neat, they gave you these car glove plates. Cut out these authentic car glove plates and cement to your model right there. They also gave a recommendation here on part D saying, after you have upholstered your kit, we recommend you paint the model in matching colors. Try Pactra soft spray enamel for best results. And here we have a bottle of the Pactra soft spray enamel. Metallic red interior. I wonder if that would be a nice match right there. So let's see here. So we got 2 of the reds. We also got this one in blue. Also very nice colors, especially that leather right there. The staples, everything is still intact. And the final piece we have here is in green. So this one here, it's a bit more weathered. Got a little tear right there. The tear in the plastic down here. Let's get a close-up of that leather there in green. But very beautiful. The air horn is the one thing that's missing from the packaging on this one. We still have the wooden stick there. These were the colorways I was able to get. If you guys have more information as to other colorways that were out there from the same company, Ulrich, please let me know in the comments. I hope this brought back a lot of memories. I'm pretty sure somebody watching this used this back in the day. And I am aware that there was also other competitive brands that had their own upholstery kits. And I hope that one day I'm able to obtain some of those and have them in my collection. So this way I could continue creating more content and bringing more awareness to a lot of these items from the 60s. Just preserving model car culture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and take care.